What's going on, Schrute Stack Squad? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, do yourselves a favor, hit that subscribe button, come and join the Discord. Link is in the Patreon below, because we're building wealth out here. None of this is financial advice. Now let's get into the video. All right, guys, let's take a look at the portfolio today. We went down. All right, you can take a look at this whole thing: 1 week, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year, all time. Guys, if you do not see the all-time chart on anyone showing this stuff, you can't trust 100% what they're saying, because this is where you can easily pump up the portfolio. I can easily show you the 1-day chart and make it look like my portfolio is sitting at like 200, but it's the all-time that shows, because you need to see that beginning part. That 42K shows how much I've actually gained, and you can subtract where I'm at to see where my initial deposit was. But let's take a look at this thing. So overall, what we're looking at, stocks kind of took a hit a little bit today, a little, I forgot how much percentage it was down. Maybe like, I think my portfolio was like maybe like 2-3 down, but there were some stocks that ran up. Shout out to our boy Daddy Wonders in the Discord. He made like 20 grand today, so probably more than that, off of this one play. I think he was in AHT was the one. Let's see if we can. Yeah, this was the one. He's been making a killing off of this one. Yeah, he's been in this one for a while. But he told us about this before. Unfortunately, I did not get in on this stock, but a few other people did, and they made a killing. But let's take a look at what we're working with. CTX R, guys, you already know the deal on this one. June 29th. All right, Citi has put out a tweet the other day. And basically, what they told us is that within plus or minus 5 days of June 29th, that's when they're expecting the DMC review to come through, okay? So you can basically expect around that week of June 29th, that's going to be the catalyst, okay? That's going to be, that time frame is really going to be the one. That May time frame was when they could have had the DMC review begin. Remember what they were saying, that they would get the results after that quarter? They've given the confirmation in a tweet that that's the time frame specifically. Okay, so CTXR, that's what's going on with this bad boy. MEIP, guys, tomorrow they're actually having a you can already see. People have been telling me in the comments they want me to go through this part, so to show you where I'm sitting at on each one. But you can take a look. CTXR, this was the one. I have 14,000 shares, total return 10K. MEIP, almost 9,000 shares in this one, and we're up 11%. And this one, guys, the real catalyst on MEIP is all the way in the fall time, fall to winter time, to be honest. But tomorrow there's a little catalyst going on. They're having a presentation, which hopefully, where they're presenting on their drug info, which hopefully can get this stock to get a little more momentum, a little bit of traffic, because you can take a look at where this thing was trading just not that long ago. You can see this thing. This one was really, its comfort zone has been in this like 350s, 360s region. This one should be getting there in no time. But anyways, that's everything on MEIP. AUTL, I'm surprised there was no movement on this stock, but you know what I'm saying with this one. June 11th is the date. That's Friday, so we gotta wait up on this and see what comes through. Okay, but I'm expecting big things. I have a crap load of money in this stock. I'm really praying on this one, but 100% remission rate on leukemia. I can't say no to that. 100% remission rate, and then finances, and the company finances wise, they're not going to be doing a stock split anytime soon. Let's just say that. So they're looking good there. All right, safe. This is my other one, guys. This is just a buy and hold one. This is going to be for the next 6, 7, 8 months. This is going to be a while to pick up its momentum, but this stock has a crap load of insider trading going on with it, and for some reason it still hasn't picked up its speed yet, but it's gonna happen. So then the one that everyone wants to hear about, AMC, it's been down today, guys. It took a hit, actually, a pretty big hit. Almost 14%. And basically what's gonna end up happening is, remember, AMC, guys, this is gonna be a long-term hold. Okay, I still have my position in this one. You guys know I showed this thing. Oh no, I didn't show it in my last video, because the The app kept crashing on me. Sorry. So, anyways, let me show this thing for everyone. You can see my average cost, how much I got. Yeah, I don't know if I showed. Yeah. So for all of these, you guys can see what I'm at. But yeah. So AMC, this is where I'm sitting at. My average cost, shares, market value, everything like that. So this guy's is a hold position. If it's either buy and hold or just if you're okay, buy and hold and continue to buy, or buy and then once you bought, just hold, because that's really the name of the game on this one. It's exactly what we saw with GameStop in the past, and you kind of just have to wait for the shorts to start covering. Okay, it might take them a few weeks, it might take them a few days, it might take them a few months. You just got to wait for the ticking time bomb. But this is a ticking time bomb. That's what it is. We just don't know the timeline. So my prediction, look, this journey to 1 million that I have on this thing is what? It's a 2-year time frame, all right? Meaning, I believe that AMC will pop before 2 years. So I'm okay having it bought and hold. Now if I want to decide, okay, now look, here's the thing I could do. Now let's just say tomorrow, MEIP gets a huge run up and stuff like that, or AUTL. Okay, that's a good one. AUTL, after the June 11th date, that thing skyrockets like crazy. It has a lot of money, whatever. Okay, I can take some of the money that I make from AUTL, and let's say AMC still hasn't squeaked. I can put a little bit more money in AMC then. But you see, I don't think I'm going to be trying to move too much around besides that. So anyways, that's AMC. Next ticker up, SoFi. You already know this is my biggest investment of all time. $1. Wow, guys, actually I have not been keeping up with this. Wow. If you take a look back at some of my older videos, I was down like 30-40% on this play. Man, and to see I'm only down 8% now, 8.5%. Wow, let's take a look at this thing. Man, holy cow. Look at this thing. Went from 20s all the way. What's going on here? Okay. Yeah. This thing really took a hit down, and then, man, it's making its recovery. I'm impressed with this. Okay. Genius Brands, all right. I shouted this out I told everybody in the Discord family that I was buying this thing on Friday after hours. If you want to get it on the place, go and join in on the Discord anyways. But yeah, this one I'm hoping I'm getting this one for the end of the week. I really think that this is going to start pushing up to the 250s. I'm expecting to see the 250s. But if not, hey, I've been wrong in the past, and I could be wrong here. But there's a lot of buyers set up in that I think around the 211 mark. So if this thing dips, let's say around the $2.11 mark, oh, it has a huge support there, enormous. So I don't see this thing falling. And if it goes below that, 208 is the next mark. So anyways, I just see a lot of people looking to buy in on this stock, and personally I'm seeing this thing around 250. But that's it for Genius Brands here. So yeah, guys, I think overall, we can take a look at the rest of the portfolio. What else? The rest of the stocks that's been going on. You can take a look. It's just been red across the board for a lot of it. Let's see, what else are we working with? Hey, favorite ticker symbol, Zometica. Man, this thing actually has had a run up in the last 1 month, but yeah, I have not been keeping up with this stock, guys, so I'm not sure when their next catalyst could be. But again, remember what we were saying about this stock. They were making the that thyroid testing device and adrenal conditions for like Cushing disease for pets, dogs specifically. And this one, I remember they got their product approved, and then they were going to have their sales taken off. Now, I have not been able to keep up with how their sales have done and what the thing was, but what we need to remember is this. Zometica was a big hype play. There's a lot of momentum behind this. There's a lot of hype behind the stock. Now, here's the thing. What have we seen? A lot of these stocks in the past, Genius Brands, Clover, these were all stocks that were hyped. Skills was another one. These are all stocks that had a huge following, huge hype that was behind it. BNGO was another one, guys. If you think back, I want you to think back to like fall time last year, right? Fall, winter, and early, this 2021, right? All of those stocks had a lot of following, a lot of hype. Zometica is just waiting for, in my opinion, it's kind of found its stabilization zone in this region. You know, it's kind of found its balance right in this region. Okay, now I personally think it's just waiting for that momentum to kick back in. Okay, it's waiting for that momentum to kick back in, and then we can see this thing bounce up again. Now, what would get that momentum to bring it back in? Now, what's going to bring that? I don't know. I think personally it's going to be a Wall Street bet sort of thing. It might be some sort of like personally, I don't think an earnings report is going to be enough to kind of get this stock to go, because I've seen the earnings report was in May, had no movement in May. So you need to get some movement to come into it. Now, I do believe that they will get the momentum in there again at one point. Now, I'm not sure when, but again, for anyone who's been holding on to Zometica, you know, it's you gotta just wait and hold on it. So, anyways, that's everything on Zometica. And yeah, guys, you know, I'm just scrolling through the rest here. But anyways, all right, family, I'm not gonna keep everyone sitting here waiting around like usual. So, with all that said, as usual, guys, stay happy, stay healthy, and let's get wealthy. And join the freaking Discord. Okay, bye.